Welcome to the intersection of nature's bounty and engineering precision, where the journey of a world-class chocolate bar begins amidst the verdant tropical heat of morning. The cacao trees stand tall, bearing the precious fruit that holds the secret to indulgence, nurtured by rich soil and a climate perfect for these golden pods. In this modern facility, every fruit is analyzed by advanced sensors, ensuring only the most perfect pods move forward to undergo their incredible culinary transformation today. Witness the dramatic evolution from a humble, raw seed into a velvety, molten flow of pure delight. A process where science meets the art of fine confectionery. Beneath the glass and steel architecture, a team of experts monitors every variable, blending traditional craftsmanship with the power of modern mechanical and digital innovation. Today, we invite you to explore the fascinating journey of how raw cacao is refined into the most exquisite chocolate bars, crafted for the most discerning palates. From the heart of the tropical forest to the high-tech production line, this is the story of passion, technology, and the pursuit of chocolate perfection. Join us as we step inside the sanctuary of flavor, where the air is thick with the aroma of roasted beans and the promise of sweetness awaits. The process begins with the delicate touch of human hands, carefully opening each pod to reveal the precious, pulp-covered seeds that form the base of flavor. These raw seeds are collected with care, their sweet white pulp providing the necessary sugars for the vital fermentation process that will follow in the tanks. Fermentation is the most critical stage for developing complex flavor profiles, where heat and microbial activity begin the magical transformation of the bitter raw seeds. Our advanced sensors maintain the perfect environment, ensuring that the biochemical reactions are precisely controlled to bring out the unique floral and fruity notes within. Over several days, the beans mature, their internal structure changing as the heat develops the precursor compounds that will eventually become the rich chocolate aroma we love. Once fermented, the beans are spread out to dry under the gentle warmth of the sun, protected by a modern glass structure that maximizes natural energy. Automated fans and climate control systems work in harmony with the sun, preventing mold and ensuring that every single bean reaches the ideal moisture content level. This slow drying process preserves the delicate flavors developed during fermentation, turning the beans into a stable and aromatic raw material, ready for the roasting stage. Technology takes the lead as optical scanners inspect each bean at lightning speed, removing any debris or damaged seeds to guarantee absolute purity in the final product. Precision is paramount here. Only the beans that meet our rigorous standards for size, color, and quality are allowed to proceed to the roasting drums. The sorted beans are now ready, packed with potential and awaiting the heat of the roaster to unlock the deep, complex soul of the chocolate hidden within. The roasting stage is where the magic truly begins, as the beans enter the heat, beginning a journey of intense chemical change and aromatic development. Inside the drum, temperature is controlled to the fraction of a degree, as the Maillard reaction creates the signature nutty and toasted notes of fine chocolate. Every second counts. No too much heat and the bean becomes bitter. Too little and the flavor remains undeveloped. It is a delicate balance of science and intuition. The air in the factory is now filled with the intoxicating scent of roasted cacao, a rich and earthy perfume that signals the birth of true flavor. Rapid cooling is essential to stop the roasting process at the perfect moment, locking in the precise flavor profile crafted by our master roasters and machines. Next, the beans are cracked open in a winnowing machine, an ingenious device that uses air to separate the brittle outer husks from the valuable cocoa nibs. The light shells are blown away like autumn leaves, leaving only the pure, concentrated essence of the cacao bean, known as nibs, for the next processing stage. These nibs are the gold standard of chocolate making, rich in healthy fats and intense flavor, ready to be transformed into a smooth and liquid form through a network of high-tech conduits. As the nibs travel to the grinding station, a journey of modern logistics, ensuring maximum hygiene and efficiency in production. The flow is constant and precise, representing the steady pulse of a factory that never sleeps in its quest to produce the world's finest chocolate bars. We now move from the heat of the roaster to the power of the grinders, where physical force will turn these solid nibs into liquid silk. The traditional method of stone grinding is enhanced by modern motors, ensuring a consistent pressure that breaks down the nib's cell walls to release cocoa butter. Friction generates heat, naturally melting the cocoa butter within the nibs and transforming the dry bits into a thick, flowing substance called chocolate liquor. This liquor is pure cacao in its most potent form, intensely flavored and incredibly smooth. But it still requires hours of refinement to reach perfection. The refined liquid is then moved to the conching tanks, where the final texture and flavor development will take place over a period of many hours. Conching is a process of continuous stirring and aeration, which removes unwanted acidic flavors and polishes the chocolate particles until they are microscopic. Every hour of conching adds to the smoothness, ensuring that the final bar will melt effortlessly on the tongue without any hint of graininess or grit. Precision dosing adds just the right amount of organic cane sugar, balancing the natural bitterness of the cacao with a clean, sophisticated sweetness. Extra cocoa butter is added to enhance the luxurious mouthfeel, giving the chocolate its characteristic snap and a creamy texture that defines high-end confectionery. This industrial symphony continues for up to 72 hours, a testament to the patience required to achieve a truly world-class flavor profile. Our master chocolatiers monitor the progress, checking the aroma and texture at every stage to ensure the batch meets our exacting standards for quality. Science confirms what the palate senses. The particles are now so fine, they are invisible to the naked eye, creating a texture as smooth as silk. Final filtration ensures absolute purity, leaving us with a chocolate mass that is perfectly homogenized and ready for the critical stage of tempering. The chocolate is now fully developed, its flavor complex and its texture sublime, resting momentarily before it is given its final, solid form. Every pipe is heated to prevent the chocolate from solidifying, maintaining the perfect flow as it moves toward the most technical part of the process. We now enter the tempering zone, where temperature control becomes a precise dance to create the perfect crystal structure within the cocoa butter. Tempering involves carefully cooling and then slightly reheating the chocolate to encourage the formation of stable beta crystals, which provide the desired properties. Correct tempering is what gives the finished chocolate its brilliant shine, its resistance to melting at room temperature, and that satisfying, sharp snap. Automation takes over as the tempered chocolate is prepared for molding, ensuring that every bar is identical in weight and appearance every single time. The dispensing system is calibrated to the milligram, filling the intricate designs of the molds with molten chocolate that will soon become our signature bars. Vibration is key to removing trapped air, ensuring a solid, dense bar without any unsightly bubbles or internal gaps that could ruin the experience. As the bubbles vanish, the surface becomes a perfect mirror, reflecting the high standards of a production line where even the smallest detail matters. The cooling tunnel provides a controlled environment where the chocolate solidifies slowly, allowing the cocoa butter crystals to set in their most stable form. Temperature gradients are strictly managed to prevent fat bloom, ensuring the chocolate remains dark, and rich without any white streaks on its surface. With the cooling complete, the bars are demolded with extreme care. Their surfaces pristine and their edges sharp, ready for the final inspection and packaging. The logo stands as a mark of quality and a promise of flavor, an emblem of the hard work and technology that went into this creation. They look like dark jewels, perfectly uniform and immensely tempting, representing the successful culmination of a complex biological and mechanical journey through our facility. Even at this stage, high-tech sensors continue to verify perfection, ensuring that every consumer receives a bar that is visually and structurally flawless. Hygiene is maintained at the highest level, with a clean room environment that protects the chocolate from any external contaminants before it is safely sealed. The first layer of protection is a shimmering gold foil, which preserves the delicate aromas and keeps the chocolate fresh for its journey to you. The final packaging is applied with grace, a beautiful paper sleeve that tells the story of the origin and the craftsmanship contained within each bite. Full traceability is guaranteed by laser-etched codes, allowing us to track each bar back to the very day and farm where the cacao was harvested. Efficiency and speed are combined with a gentle touch as the bars are packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to chocolate lovers around the world. Human expertise remains the final authority. Our tasters and quality experts perform random checks to ensure the sensory experience is nothing short of perfect. Listen to that snap. It is the sound of perfect tempering and high cocoa butter content, and a clear indicator of a superior quality chocolate bar. Inside, the texture is dark and solid, a concentrated block of flavor that has been refined through days of grinding and conching to reach this state. The ultimate test is the taste, a symphony of bitter and sweet notes that linger on the palate, reflecting the unique terroir of the tropical plantation. From the raw fruit to the finished masterpiece, the journey is complete. This bar is more than just food. It is the result of dedicated craftsmanship. Perfectly paired with a fine coffee, this chocolate represents the pinnacle of luxury, a moment of peace and indulgence in a busy and fast-paced world. Every bite tells a story of the sun, the soil, and the sophisticated machines that worked in harmony to bring this incredible flavor to your life. As day turns to night, the factory continues its mission. Yet a beacon of modern production, nestled in the heart of the world's most beautiful cacao regions. This is where technology serves nature, enhancing the raw gifts of the earth to create something truly extraordinary for the global community of food lovers. The cycle continues, with new pods ripening on the trees, ready to start the journey again tomorrow in our pursuit of the ultimate chocolate experience. We take pride in our commitment to quality, sustainability, and the relentless innovation that makes our chocolate the gold standard of the modern industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey from bean to bar. We hope you enjoy the taste of passion and precision in every single